Hey girl, hey, so I got this bottle of wine from the store because you know I wanted to drink a little bit, sip, and turns out the wine was nasty. So guess what? We don't waste wine. So today what we're going to do is show you how to make a wine slushy because the girl's got to have her wine, right? So we're going to start off with a cup of wine. Got to get rid of this stuff some kind of way. So 1 cup of wine. We're gonna do a 1/2 cup of strawberries. I choose frozen strawberries because I don't want to water it down. So after the bad wine, we certainly don't want watered down wine. And a 1/2 cup of pineapple chunks. And the pineapple chunks are also frozen. I'm gonna add some strawberry simple syrup, about a 1/4 ounce, just to sweeten it up a little bit. The wine was just not to my tasting. And then I'm gonna add a shot of rum, or a 1.5 shots. It's been a long day. Okay, let's blend this baby. I added more strawberries because why not? Okay. You smile again, watch your eyes. Feel the sunny days caress our skin. There we go. That's the color of magic. Perfect. And I even have more for leftovers. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? Right.